Hello students, welcome back to Migration Maths Academy. This is 9th Mathematics, Chapter 7 Mensuration. Exercise 7.1, question number 10. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram measures 34 meter, 20 meter and the measure of one of the diagonal is 42 meter. Find the area of the parallelogram. Parkalama. Okay students, first diagram parunga. ABCD is a parallelogram. இதோடைய adjacent sides AB and BC கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. AB equal 34 meter, BC equal to 20 meter. By property, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So, AB equal to CD. அப்போ CD also 34 meter. BC equal to AD. So, AD also 20 meter. அடுத்ததா diagonal AC கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. It is 42 meter. இப்போ என்ன கேட்குறாங்க? இதோட ஏரியா கேட்குறாங்க இல்லையா? இப்போ அந்த diagonal AC இந்த parallelogram என்ன பண்ணும்? bisect பண்ணும். அதாவது area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ACD. Okay. Now area of the parallelogram equal to 2 into area of triangle ABC. So first நம்ம என்ன find பண்ணணும்? area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. It is called Heron's formula. Here A equal to 34 meter, B equal to 20 meter and C equal to 42 meter and S equal to 34 plus 20 plus 42 equal to 96 divided by 2 equal to 48 meter. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to square root of S into, where S equal to 48 into 48 minus A equal to 34 into 48 minus B equal to 20 into 48 minus 42 equal to square root of 48 into 48 minus 34 equal to 8 minus 4 equal to 4, 4 minus 3 equal to 1, 14 into 48 minus 20 equal to 28 into 48 minus 42 equal to 6 equal to square root of இதை 3 into 16 பிரிங்க into இதை 2 into 7 into இது 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 3 equal to square root of 2 into 2, 2 square into 2 into 2, 2 square into 3 into 3, 3 square into 16, 4 square into 7 into 7, 7 square equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 7 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 into 7 equal to 336 meter square. Therefore, area of the parallelogram equal to 2 into area of triangle ABC equal to 2 into 336 meter square equal to 2 6 are 12, 2 balance 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 2 3s are 6, 672 meter square. That's all.